far out. That is friggin' awesome. That is so cool. I'm gonna have to switch into my bloody life-proof case now because she's gonna get wet. Oh yeah, keen. You guys gotta check this out. Oh, Jesus. Hello. Do you want to go, Nans? Do you want to go, Nans? Do you want to go to Waterfall? Okay. Coco, hop down. Do you want to go to Nans? You want to go to Waterfall? You want to go to... Oh.
Come on. Coco.
Is that Mum? Come on. Alright, so we're going to go check out a waterfall today. But first of all, we've got a meat pack. We're going to go down to Maddy's nan's place and have a barbecue. And then we'll go check out a waterfall. And best thing is I'll be shooting on my new iPhone 12 Pro. So but to be safe, I'm using my little screen life-proof case thingy because I'm going to get close up and personal with this waterfall and take a few snaps. So yeah, stay tuned and check it out.
This? Oh,
But you know, we start off the day right, smashing in some creatine. Zach Perner's new pre-workout. Oh yeah. Waterfall today? Nans? Barbecue at Nans? Okay. Go read your books.
Just on the backwards. The rest is before the
Did you have a good lunch? Good barbecue? This is what I have. Want to go to a waterfall? We just smacked in some fuel. Now it's time to smack into a waterfall. Yeah? You enjoyed lunch. Now it's waterfall time. So we went to Nuns, didn't we? And you'd think a human would be the one getting the porterhouse steak, but yeah, that was you. We had to settle for chops and you got porterhouse steak. God, you're spoiled. I've never actually been down there. It'd be really cool to see. We're gonna find a way down there. We're so getting down there.
Careful.
Going off-road, are we? Full driving. Far out. That is friggin' awesome. That is so cool. I'm gonna have to switch into my bloody life-proof case now because she's gonna get wet. Oh yeah, keen. You guys gotta check this out. The audio's a bit rough, I'm sorry, but we're gonna get wet and it's gonna be sick. Oh yeah, waterfall. That is cool. Fucking sick. That is sick. Imagine if it was like fully heavy falling. I'm definitely going over there. Oh, we're going in there. We're definitely going in. We're going in. Alright, we're going in. Come on. This could be slippy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, they're slippy as. I hope you can hear it and I hope you can see it, but holy shit, we're going under. Oh my god. That was actually sick. Oh. Coco. Dad went in the waterfall. Dad went in the waterfall. This is actually seriously sick. Like, there's actually a cave in here and everything, like, in the middle of a waterfall. It's called Trentham Falls. You should definitely check it out. Couple hours drive from the country, but it's like an hour's drive from the city. It's sick. If you've never been, you should definitely check it out. Okay, come on. Trying to get some sick bangers, but I am a shit photographer, so let's see how it works. I think it's something like down here. I don't know. We'll see. So the old missus says she wants to go up the top. Told her we can't climb it. She doesn't have the right shoes. Apparently she doesn't have the right shoes just to climb that. What's wrong with those? Huh? You ready? All right. Good girl, come on. Oh, thanks. So that was the bottom of the waterfall. And I must say that was fucking sick. We're gonna go check out the top. Hopefully we can get there with the dog. And hopefully we can get some cool snaps. We didn't really take any photos or go to the top of the waterfall. It wasn't really that cool anyway, so we skipped that part. Heading home, got some Domino's. Cheating on my diet, but who cares? It's always good. So yeah, I'll see you at home. So you're my Uber, and I'm your Jill. That's what you call maps on the iPhone, Jill. And the lady at the checkout, no matter their name tag, whatever it says, it's Susan.
No, the computer. I like to
Oh, the self-serve. It's called Susan. Yeah. Susan the self-serve. I like it. Okay. I'm Jill. We've just got home. And have a look, it's sitting right at the front door. Oh, I am keen. Hello, Mr. Bud. I am keen. And I'm pretty sure that is like one of those robot vacuum things that just do this job for you. I'm 110% sure that this is overkill to open the box. But as they say in Australia, that's not a knife, this is a knife. Anyway, we'll start with the big one first. Ooh, damn. It is a robot. Hell yeah. Keep the place clean without me having to do shit. I love it. Yeah. That was the missus. And Gymshark is mine, as you can see. Gymshark. Ooh, damn. Some shorts. Hell yeah. I usually just wear black and black only, but I've decided to put a little bit of colour in my life, just because, you know, change it up a bit. Singlet. See how they fit. I don't know, I always thought blue and salmon sort of go together. Bit of a tank. Gymshark, love it. Ooh, damn. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Alright, so this is the first, is the top. Little logo there. These are the shorts. Oh, I love this fit. This is a really good fit. It's a good fit. This is the muscle fit. Muscle logo at the back. It's really good fit. And here's the jumper. Ordered a couple sizes bigger because who doesn't love an oversized jumper? It's still tight on the cuffs, which I love that. Tight down bottom, but it's a really good fit. Definitely recommend Gymshark, especially when they're on sales. It's awesome. Alright, so I'm going to end the video right here. I'm going to chuck the photos up on the end here. If you had liked it, hit that subscribe button and like the video. You know the drill. Leave a comment. Anyway, before I sign out, let's do it again. Let's just do it again. If you made it this far in the video, comment something really random, like I don't know, just say something random, literally something random, just say it. Let's see who actually made it this far into the video. Anyway, this is me signing out. Peace, y'all.